we can work the stroke out. Lily, all right, Lily's here. We didn't do anything waiting for Lily, right? Okay, so we have this. We have this. So V shape like that, okay? Maybe we'll do one more, extend out. And then we might have, let's do one more here. And then we have white with yellow. And maybe in this case, it's only like half showing. Okay. I love having Lisa say, the approval. So we have this showing the center, and then we are coming back, loading red, cadmium, and carmine, and blend. We can go like the center lower, two sides higher, or center higher, two sides lower to show the circular shape. And still using the idea, maybe like two together, one apart. Okay, so having this, and maybe having that folding one showing a little bit the other side. Is this one showing a little? No. Little texture. Little texture. Okay. And then the dark, concentrated. You see the dark is virtually pasty. And then I put it only at the tip of the brush. Build a wall. Settle the pressure. Going in between. You know, those texture, you keep it. And then having the vein. And some of the vein can go inside. Then the torch. Having a dot. And then lead the stalk in. Okay, so that would be the profile. Then there's like calyx. Like the hibiscus, it has this calyx wrapping the base, so it's light green. So we have some spread out like this to hold the flower. When the profile flower, then it will show, okay? And if it's